What's the meaning of Bob the Builder? Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder.
Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder is a British animated children's television show that follows the adventures of Bob and his team of construction vehicles as they build and repair various structures in their community. The show teaches children about teamwork, problem solving, and the importance of hard work and determination. Through catchy songs and engaging storylines, Bob and his team demonstrate the value of perseverance and the satisfaction that comes with a job well done. Overall, Bob the Builder is a beloved and educational show that has entertained and inspired young viewers for over 2 decades.